Hey everyone, welcome back. So today, let's chat about Home Chef. It's this cool meal kit delivery service that's all about making your life easier when it comes to eating well. And their whole point is to simplify the whole process of getting that home-cooked meal on the table. No more endless meal planning, no more grocery store runs, just a straightforward path to yummy, home-cooked meals with minimal fuss. And I've been giving Home Chef a whirl for about a year now, and I've got to say, I'm pretty impressed. The meals are delicious, the kits are super user-friendly, and they seem to have a knack for keeping things simple, especially for those of us who aren't exactly kitchen whizzes. Now, it's not all sunshines and rainbows, no service really is, so I'll share a few areas where Home Chef could step up their game, giving you all the information you need to know. But overall, if you're aiming to eat well without the hassle of meal planning and grocery shopping, Home Chef might just be your ticket. So stick around as I dive into the nitty-gritty of their food offerings, meal plans, pricing, and all that good stuff that you'll want to know before deciding whether Home Chef is your next culinary adventure. Oh, and here's also a cool tidbit. When I joined Home Chef, I came across this special link that got me a discount I wouldn't have found directly on their site. So if you're thinking of giving them a try, I'll pop that link in the description for you. And let's face it, we all aim for a healthier lifestyle, which, no surprise, starts with what we eat. But man, the time and effort to keep it all healthy can be a bit much. Like, I've got a can of chips right here because I'm just too lazy to actually make something. Especially when life gets hectic, meal planning takes a backseat, and suddenly I'm so hungry I could eat just about anything. Nutrition just goes out the window. And that's the gap that Home Chef tries to fill. They bring fresh, pre-portioned ingredients to your door, tackling the whole shebang. Meal planning, grocery shopping, queuing, carrying bags, chopping, cooking, driving, and even some of the cleaning. I hopped on the Home Chef train about a year back, swamped with work and struggling to maintain a balanced diet. Honestly, it's really been a game changer, helping me stay on track with my health goals without the extra fuss. Regarding the actual cooking with Home Chef, you don't really need to be a kitchen pro, just don't burn your house down. Their recipes are super straightforward, aimed at making beginners feel right at home in the kitchen. And as for getting started, it's pretty seamless. You hop onto their website, set up an account, and share a bit about your dietary preferences and any allergies. They'll ask if you're a vegetarian, watching your carbs, calorie conscious, into keto, and so on. It's just a quick process to answer these questions, including any specific foods you might want to dodge, like peanuts or shellfish. And next up, you decide how many servings you're looking for, which could be as cozy as 2 meals per serving or as generous as 6 for my big boys out there. After filling in those details, you get to pick from 6 different meal types they offer. Their first is the classic meal kit, loaded with pre-portioned ingredients. You'll need to do a bit of prep, but we're talking about 30 to 40 minutes max from box to table, making it a pretty smooth ride. Moving on to the express meal kit from Home Chef, this one's a step up in convenience. You get pre-portioned ingredients that simplify cooking, aiming for about 20 to 30 minute cook time. Then there's the oven ready kit, a real time saver. These meals arrive in oven safe trays, so you can just slide them into the oven. They're typically ready in 20 to 40 minutes, cutting down on both prep and cleanup time. Their grill ready kit is next, ideal for the barbecue enthusiasts out there. It includes a variety of meats and veggies, all packed in a grill safe bag. Keep in mind, you don't want to grill the bag. I learned that the hard way, but it didn't burn. But just toss the veggies and meats on the grill and you're set. I actually used this for a family barbecue recently. My dad was proud of me. He said, "You actually know how to barbecue." And despite a small mishap where I left the chicken unattended for a bit, resulting in slightly charred Cajun chicken, it was a hit still. Then the Fast and Fresh kit is another option. No, it is not a sequel to the Fast and Furious. I know, it's shocking. So it's designed for a 10-minute cooking time. Just combine the ingredients, place them in the provided tray, and cook in the oven or microwave. Its convenience makes it a solid pick for any of you guys out there that are really busy or just on the move all the time. And lastly, the Culinary Collection kit is their premium offering. It includes high-end recipes with top-notch ingredients, though it does require a bit more culinary skill and time, about an hour on average. Perfect for special occasions or when you're looking to impress with your cooking, such as when you have a special someone coming over. Home Chef also recently rolled out a new family menu, which is pretty exciting if you have family. So they offer meals that cater both to adults and typically more selective younger diners. After I signed up and answered some questions about my dietary preferences, Home Chef suggested certain recipes for me. At first, I was worried they might lock me into those choices, but fortunately, they offer flexibility. Even though they provided recommendations, I wasn't restricted to them. I had the freedom to select from their entire weekly rotating menu, which is exactly what I did. One of my initial concerns was about meal variety. Would they keep things fresh or would I be stuck with a static selection? Collection. Thankfully, they update their menus weekly, introducing new dishes while retaining some classic favorites. This variety ensures that mealtime doesn't become monotonous. And their recipes lean towards the simple and classic, which suits my taste. Think along the lines of pasta dishes, burgers and fries, baked chicken, or pork tenderloins. And for those who are more culinary adventurous or keen to enhance their cooking skills, the Culinary Collection kit is a solid choice. And actually, a standout feature of Home Chef, differentiating it from many competitors, is the option to customize meals. This flexibility isn't common with most meal kit services. You can tweak recipes to suit your preferences, such as swapping out proteins. For instance, I love their Creole-style burger with roasted red pepper relish, but I often switch the beef patty for steak grips or ground turkey to keep my fat intake in check. Even last year, for a few weeks, I decided to cut down on meat and ramp up my veggie intake. Home Chef made it a breeze to really adapt to this change. You can either ditch the protein altogether in most recipes or switch it out for a plant-based one. I tried swapping a regular burger for their Impossible plant-based one. And, as a self-proclaimed meat enthusiast, I won't claim it surpassed or matched the real deal, but for a plant-based burger, I'll say it wasn't too bad. But in that same vein, let's talk about taste. It's the make or break factor. I'll share a couple of dishes that won my heart and one that didn't quite hit the mark for me. So first off, I was pleasantly surprised by the almond crunchy yellowtail. This dish is a cool twist on seafood actually. The yellowtail is fresh and cooked to perfection, offering a tender bite every time. But what truly sets it apart is the almond crust. It has a delightful crunch and nutty flavor that complements the fish beautifully. The entire dish is just elevated by a subtle yet aromatic herb sauce that ties all the flavors together seamlessly. Another standout meal is the herb-crusted chicken breast. Initially, I was curious about how the herbs would play with the chicken's natural flavors, and I'll tell you this much, I was not disappointed. The chicken breast was juicy and tender, with the herb crust providing a flavorful and crispy exterior. It's a testament to how simple ingredients, when used thoughtfully, can create a dish that's both comforting and sophisticated. It even taught me how to do algebra. The chicken is accompanied by a light savory sauce that enhances the herbs without overpowering the delicate taste of the poultry. I also gave the coffee rubbed steak a go, which was featured in their staff pick section. And it was an interesting idea, but the coffee flavor was too dominant, overshadowing the steak and disrupting the flavor balance. It's an innovative concept, but maybe not the best for those who prefer their steak without the coffee on it. And generally, I've had a good run with Home Chef, but it's important to note that they might not meet every unique dietary need or severe allergy requirements. But their delivery consistency is impressive. For families juggling busy schedules, having meals delivered on a set day, like my preferred Sunday delivery, streamlines the week ahead, removing the need for meal planning and grocery shopping. My experience with their punctuality has been flawless. The packaging is designed to maintain freshness, with each ingredient individually wrapped and delivered in a cooler box. This approach, though effective for preserving ingredients, does generate a considerable amount of packaging. It's all recyclable or reusable, but eco-conscious individuals should be prepared for this aspect. Remember, to recycle is very key here. For those new to Home Chef, be aware that you won't find basic kitchen staples like salt, pepper, and olive oil included in the kits. These are assumed to be standard pantry items in most homes. Pricing also varies with Home Chef. Standard meal kits hover around $9 per serving. Opting for family meals, which are ordered in larger quantities, the price per serving drops to about $7. On the other end, the Culinary Collection meals, being premium offerings, are priced higher, around $14 or more per serving. Upgrading proteins within your meals might incur additional charges. It's also crucial to note that there's an $11 shipping fee for each delivery, something to keep in mind when budgeting. About a month and a half into my subscription, I needed to pause deliveries due to an upcoming vacation, so I reached out to their customer service via live chat on their website, where email and a hotline are also available. The team was accommodating, ensuring that pausing deliveries was straightforward and cost-free, which was a relief to know for future reference. Moreover, if you're wondering who Home Chef is ideal for, I'd say it's perfect for busy individuals, couples, or families who are striving for a healthier diet but don't have the time for meal planning, grocery shopping, or extensive food prep. It's also a great fit for those who've struggled with diet consistency and need a bit of structure. Plus, if you're keen to sharpen your culinary skills without enrolling in a pricey course, Home Chef's advanced meal plans can be a valuable learning tool. While not every dish has been a hit in my book, the majority have been quite tasty. On the flip side, Home Chef probably isn't the best match for culinary pros who just love the process of meal prep and grocery shopping. But for the rest of us seeking a healthy, convenient dining solution or just a reliable plan B for those evenings when cooking feels like a chore, it's a stellar choice. In summary, I totally recommend Home Chef. It champions convenience, supports a healthier lifestyle, and is cost-effective compared to frequent dining out or takeout. Not to mention, it saves you a ton of time that you'd otherwise spend on meal-related tasks. And there you go, that wraps up today's video, guys. I hope you found this breakdown useful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights. And if you're tempted to give Home Chef a try, don't miss the discount link in the description. It's a deal you won't find directly on their site. If you have any further questions, drop them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks a ton for tuning in, and I will catch you in the next one.